The lyrebird is a remarkable species, renowned for its exceptional ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds from its environment. Native to Australia, this bird is distinguished by the male's magnificent tail feathers, which resemble a lyre when fanned out during courtship displays. There are two main species, the superb lyrebird and the Albert's lyrebird, primarily found in forested areas in southeastern Australia. Lyrebirds are ground-dwelling birds, feeding on insects, grubs, and occasionally seeds and plants. What truly sets lyrebirds apart is their vocal prowess. They can imitate chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, and even human voices, playing a vital role in their mating rituals and territorial behaviors. Their ability to replicate sounds with such precision makes them a fascinating subject of study in the field of animal communication.